Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you what to do if you forgot your password on your Samsung phone and you're not able to log in. What you could do is simply just turn off your phone. So you can turn off your phone if you swipe on down from the top right, you can go to power, and then you can go to power off right here and hold this down. So what you want to do is get a USB cable that's connected to your computer or laptop. So you can see this is connected here. And then you want to plug this in, and you're going to see this charging symbol pop up, just like this. And then when this pops up, you can hit the power button and the volume up button and press this down. And this should turn on your phone. And it should go into the power menu here for the recovery mode. Now, if it doesn't, let go of the power button and the volume up button, press it down again. And if that doesn't work, try letting go after 10 seconds and press it down again. And that should force boot you into the recovery mode. It went pretty quickly for me. Now we can just go on down to factory reset. And then we can go on down under here. And we can go to wipe data and factory reset. And then just do that here. So this will allow you to pretty much log back into your phone, but it's going to wipe all your data on here.